Hi YouTubers, JDCat26 here, just do the tips and fairs and hobbies. Hope you guys are doing good today. I got this pouch today I'm going to make. It's like an EDC pouch. It's my first one actually. I usually just carry my Leatherman or my multi-tool on my belt. And so we're going to start pulling this up. We got a flashlight here, a very good one. An anchor. Or anchor. Let's see if this opens up. That opens up. And we got a pouch right here. So we're going to put that in there like that. And we'll put this part in there. And we've got a sharpening stone. I think that'll fit in there. So put the sharpening stone in there. The flashlight, and just clip this back up, and this tightens down, I believe, the belt part. I'll have to tighten that later, but it'll stay in there. I've got my pen. It's a very unique pen I found. I just found it somewhere. So I'm going to put the pen in here. And let's see. I don't know, I don't have much to put in here, really. It's got other loops back here, too. I can put stuff back here. Got loops in here. This is where you would attach it. Just say your belt. See all the loops? Get some loops in here. You could put stuff in. I got a sharpener. I think that sharpener would fall out. But it's got snaps right there. And I found it on Amazon. You know, I really looked at each pouch, and this one really offered a lot to the what it had. This is another sharpener from Smith's. It's a Smith's sharpener, so I could just stick it in there with the flashlight. And we're going to clinch that down. We're going to clinch this down. These seems, you know, these are pretty tight, and there's a way to clinch it down. And let's see, let's open it up. It's got two zippered compartments. And you could put your iPhone in there. And we've got some Torx bits. So we'll just stick them in there like that. We've got some chapstick. We'll stick it in there. And we've got some extra bits here. I may take them out of this bottle just to keep the unit more flat. Got this little tool. You just drop it in there. This is, we're going to make this side the medical kit. So this side, we've got some liquid skin. Put that in there. And got a couple Band-Aids I'm going to stick in there. And we're going to make that the medical side of the bag. And you got to open this up. This is some extra parts to multi-tool, so we'll stick them in there. And we got this in the mail. It's a good bag. We'll save, and we'll get a thing to open this up. See what's in here. Double wrapped. Got a card. Card is from Sweet Family. Thank you for shopping. Well, thank you from Sweet Family. It looks like a good tool setup, and we'll show you what's in this. I don't know. I may keep it in this bag. It's got maybe not. Let's open this up. I bought this so I don't have to carry a lot of sockets. Okay, and this is one of those sockets that you will do any kind of bolt or nut or whatever up to, I would say, 1 inch. And let me take my tool out. So you take your tool out and you get this part right here, and we're going to go into the tool section of the SOG and pull this part out. Put that down, and this goes like that, and that goes on there like that. So you have a socket driver for your multi-tool, okay? And you can do sockets, anything like on a bike or something like that. And that's why I bought that. So this goes in the bag, and we have a corner section, corner socket driver here. I'll show you that. Put the tool back together. Put that on there like this. And go like that. And actually, that turns like that. So, it's a corner to get into corners. So this tool goes in the bag too. And we have this last piece, which is, you know, you can reach around into cabinets and things like that. And let's see, do I have an adapter for that? Yes, right here. I don't know. No, see, I need another adapter. I thought I had one here. I'll have to get it out of another kit. I think I have it over here. I thought I took that out. No, that's not it. Hang on, guys. I want to show you this. So, let's see. Oh yeah, here we go. We'll just take it out of that kit. Put that over there. And this fits in there like that. And then it'll, yeah, see, it won't fit. It's got to be a double adapter. That won't fit. You need an adapter that has both this and this on both ends for this to work. And I don't have that in the kit. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, it goes like this. There we go. And it turns at this end. So I'll show you. I was doing it wrong, guys. Bear with me. This is a new kit to me, and I found this a really super kit. So see, that turns, and you get into corners. So that's going in the bag. Okay. Got 3 kits. So we're going to drop that in this side. Put that in there, down there, like that. And we're going to drop this in with the tool bits. And this in there. This other piece. It's going to be kind of thick, but that's what they are. It's kind of heavy, but I want all this stuff in there so I have access to it. And that fits right in the bag nicely. Look at that. Okay. You just got your tools in there. All your tools are in the center section. Okay. You're going to zip that up. And your medical part is in this section right here. Your band-aids, your antiseptic and stuff like that. I may drop a pocket knife in there. You know, like maybe like something like this. Nice small little pocket knife. We'll see. So that's from Sweet Family. That kit that we got. This was $9.49 on Amazon. This pack, and the Sweet kit was, I think, $12.99. It's not a bad price, really, for something like this. I'm going to straighten this all up, and it goes on your waist like that. So I appreciate you watching. Thanks for watching. Please stay safe. And please keep your distance from everybody if you can. And we'll see you in the next video. Please rate and subscribe. Watch my other videos. And please take care. See you next time. I just want to add in here, I just fixed the belt clip. You just unclip it and then pull it. Pull this part right here. And it's all set.